If you're new to the world of creating concrete and hydrostone candle jars and feel overwhelmed by both making the jars and adding the right wax, wicks, and fragrance oil, I have something amazing just for you. Hi, my name is Jay Catalano. Let me introduce you to the Winning Formula 2.0, a comprehensive online video course that covers everything you need to know to master the art of making both concrete and hydrostone candle jars, as well as the candles to fill them. From mastering the basics of concrete and hydrostone to creating candles with the perfect wax, wick, and fragrance oil, this course guides you through every step with simple, easy to follow instructions. Along the way, you'll gain access to an incredible collection of bonus resources designed to inspire, educate, and motivate you even more. This isn't just another tutorial, it's an easy to follow, step-by-step framework designed to transform your crafting from newbie to confident creator. In addition, I've added quick and fun quizzes after each section to reinforce what you've learned, which will help strengthen your understanding of everything from jars to candles. And here's the best part. You won't be going through this journey alone. With the Winning Formula, you'll have direct access to me through my private group, so you can get the support you need, saving you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. None of this content is public on my YouTube channel. These videos will take your learning experience to a whole new level and help you become a much more versatile creator. So take your concrete candle making skills to new heights. The Winning Formula, the course that will fast track your success. Link is in the description. Check it out and start elevating your skills today. Let's go.